We will now continue to discuss the construction of both our main task and ancillary task of the digipack and promotional poster.
As shown by our 10 film diaries, myself and Amy carried out several sessions of filming for our main task. Our first day of construction started with recording our artist Charlotte in the music studio. Therefore, prior to filming, we had to schedule a date for which suited both Charlotte and ourselves in our everyday routines. On Thursday the 19th of November, after school, we recorded Charlotte in the studio singing her cover of California Dreamin', which involves finding the soundtrack to the song from YouTube and testing the sound to see if the recording was okay before carrying out the final one.
We then went on to film our artist in the studio for the selected lyrics that we thought she would be able to easily sync in with the lyrics we chose for her to film. Initially, we arranged the composition of the lighting and the background shoot before filming any shots. After completing the mise en scène of makeup, we began to film our first shot of Megan whilst playing our version of California Dreamin', for which she could mime to. This enabled us to ensure that the synchronicity of Megan miming was in time.
The construction process continued by arranging a date on when to film Charlie, our contemporary performer, at Wat Tyler Park. On the 15th of February, we took our makeup artist Victoria and Charlie to our location where we had selected an area to film. The first 10 minutes consisted of Victoria completing the makeup on Charlie, whilst myself and Amy prepared the filming technology that was required. We then went on to complete a variety of 15 shots before delaying the remaining footage to another day due to the cold weather conditions affecting Charlie's ability to perform.
We returned back to Wat Tyler Park on the 19th of February, where we filmed in a different area of the park. The same procedures followed as before, completing another 10 shots. Due to technical difficulties, we were unable to complete all the footage.
We then went on to film our theatrical performer Jemima in the drama studio. This required a lighting technician, Logan, to assist us in how we wanted the lighting to look. We chose a single spotlight on the performer to emphasise the mise en scène of her makeup. We completed all 15 shots that we were prepared to film, therefore we felt this section of filming was successful.
Lastly, we filmed another theatrical performer, Jessie, in an old pub attic. Previously before this, we had booked out 2 light boxes to use for this section of filming to enhance the features of his face. After the mise en scène of makeup and costume was completed, we then went on to film 20 shots of Jessie, completing several movements at different angles to enable us to have a selection of shots that we could choose to edit.